Hello my dear students, welcome to online project classes. This is class 7 mathematics. We are about to start third chapter, that is rational number. Rational number is another form of the fractions. Okay, almost both are the same, don't get confused with it. Okay, now I'll give you the rational number which is right in the form of a upon b or numerator upon denominator. I'll show you here. Rational number, rational number, the number, a number which is in the form of a by b or numerator by denominator or p by q. Okay, the number which is written in this form is called rational numbers. Okay, example. And remember, the denominator must not be 0. Okay, remember, denominator means the number which is written below this line is called denominator. Okay, like b, d and q are not equals to 0. Okay, this b or here d or q does not equals to 0. This must be other than 0. If this denominator is 0, then it is not called rational number. Suppose I example, you can express 5 as a rational number. How to? 5 upon 1, and this is a rational number. You can express 0 as a rational number. 0 equals to 0 upon 1 is a rational number. But numbers, okay, any number divided by 0 is not a rational number. Okay, this is not rational number. Example, suppose 5 divided by 0 is not a rational number, is not a rational number. Remember, okay, something divided by 0 or any number divided by 0 is not a rational number. This is called infinity. Infinity, no, we don't know how much this value is there. That's why the symbol of, that's why something divided by 0, suppose 3 divided by 0 is equals to infinity, and this is called not defined. Okay, infinity. Okay, this is symbol of infinity. That's why except 0, if there is other number, that type of number is called rational number. The any fraction number, okay, any type of fraction number is called rational number except denominator is other than 0. Okay, this is a very important point. If the denominator is 0, we can define it. The number which is divided with 0 is can define. Okay, this is a very important point. Okay, fraction and decimal all both are same. Sorry, fraction and rational number both are same. Fraction also is written a by b form or n by d form. N means numerator, d means denominator, or p by q form. All those are same. These are the letter to just represent the format of the number. Okay, 5 you can write 5 in rational number, 5 by 1. 0 can be written in rational form, 0 by 1. Okay, any fraction is a rational number if denominator is other than 0. Okay, let's do the few questions from your textbook. Okay, turn your textbook exercise 3a. Okay, exercise 3a. Exercise 3a. Question number 1. Question number 1, question asks to do. Okay, let me check the questions. Okay, Okay, question number 1. Question asks to write the number in A upon B form. Okay, A upon B form. Okay, according to the question, first question, question number 1, sub questions 1. Question number 1, sub question 1. Sub question 1 is 0.4, and question asks to write this number in A upon B form. Okay, then how to write? We already learned in the previous chapter how to remove this decimal point. Can we remove the decimal point? We already learned in the previous chapter, fraction and decimal. Okay, I'll show you here. 0.4 can be written in 4 upon 10. Okay, in place of decimal point, write 1. Then after decimal point, please count the number of digit. If there is 1 digit, then write 10. If there are 2 digit, then write 20. Just look at here. Suppose there is 0.25, then you can write this is 25 upon, in place of decimal point, write 1, then 0. Okay. Now similarly, and question asks to write in the form of A by B. Now we already converted in A by B form. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it by cancelling it, their common factors. Okay, both are the multiple of 2. You can cancel it if you want to cancel, otherwise this is the answer. Suppose if you want to cancel it, 4 upon 10, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and this final answer is 2 upon 5. And question asks to write in A by B form. Now we got A by B form. This is also called fraction. That's why rational number and fraction both are almost same. Now sub questions. Sub questions 3. Sub question 3, according to your textbook, there is minus 12 is there. Okay, minus 12 can be write in fraction, that is minus 12 upon 1. That is A by V form. Is very easy. If there is no denominator, okay, you can represent denominator 1. That's why all number have their denominator is 1. Okay, everyone knows their denominator is 1. Now question number 4, sub question 4. Just check your textbook. Okay, question number 4 is minus in, it is in mixed fraction, minus 3 1 upon 8. First convert into fraction. Okay, whatever you will get into fraction, that is called as rational number or A by B form. Now this is equals to minus 8 3s are 8 3s are how much? Yeah, 8 3s are 24, plus 1 is 25 upon 8. Now it's very easy. Now this is A by B form is finished. Now question number 9, sub question 1, question number 9. How much is there? Minus 0.08. Then how to remove this decimal point? We already learned in the previous chapters. Please go through the previous chapter exercise. Okay, otherwise your notebooks. Now this is minus 8. Then in place of decimal, write 1. Then count how many digits are there. How many digits are there? 1 2. Then replace it by 2 0 100. Okay, then if you want to cancel, you can cancel y, otherwise this is the A by B form. Now this is minus 8 upon 100, and both are the multiple of 2. You can cancel it by their common factor 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0. Again you can cancel by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 is left here, 10. Now 2 5s are 10. Now final expression is 2 minus 2 upon, don't forget to write the sign. Sign is a very, very important in mathematics. Okay, now this is the question number 1, and the rest of the questions do by yourself and submit me through our Teach Mint app. Okay, now question number 2. In question number 2, according to your textbook, question asks to write the following rational number in standard form. Standard form means if there is any common factor between numerator and denominator, please cancel by their common factors, and whatever final number is left, that is called standard form. Okay. Now I'll solve question number 1, question number 2, solve question 1. Question number 2, solve question 1. It is there minus 9 upon 12. Okay, check your textbook. Okay, now question asks to write in standard form, that means cancel numerator and denominator by their common factor if there exist. Okay, now minus 9 upon 12 is there. Now both are the multiple of 3. You can cancel both the number by their common multiple. Okay, 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12. Now standard form of this one is 3 by 4, and sometimes it is also called a simplest form. Okay, now there is no further common factor, that's why this type of number is called co-prime number. If there is no any common factor between this numerator and denominator, and this type of number is called co-prime number. Now question number, sub question 5 of question number 2, sub question 5 minus 400 divided by 695. If there is any common factor, you can cancel it. Okay, I will show in here minus 400 divided by 695. Now both are the multiple of 5. You can cancel both the number by their common multiple 5. 5 8s are 40. Now 0 is left. Then 5 1s are 5. 1 is left. 5 2s are 12. Sorry, 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 5 2s are 10. Again 2 is left. 5 5s are 25. Again we can cancel it by 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 is left. Now 30 is there. 5 6 are 30. Now 5 2s are 10. Again 2 is left. 25 is there. 5 5s are 25. Now final reduced form or standard form is minus 16 upon 25. If there is no common factor between the numerator and denominator, this state is called final state or reduced or simplest form. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question asks to write 4 equivalent rational number. Very easy. If question asks to write any number of equivalent number, just multiply numerator and denominator by any numbers other than 1. Okay, any common number other than 1. Okay, don't multiply by 1. If you multiply by 1, we will get the same rational number. Okay, now question number 1. Question number 3, sub questions 1. Question number 3, sub question 1. Question asks to write 4 rational number equivalent to given rational number. Okay, the first question is 6 by 7. If question asks to find the equivalent rational number, multiply both numerator and denominator by common numbers. Okay, same number. Common number means same number other than 1. Okay, don't use 1. If you multiply numerator and denominator by 1, it remains same. That's why don't multiply by 1. Multiply by any other number except 1. Okay, now first rational number equals to 6 by 7, and I said multiply by any other number, that is 2. Now this is equals to 12 by 14. Then second rational number 6 by 7 and multiply by both numerator and denominator by same number other than 1. Okay, 3 other than 1, any numbers. I am using 2 3, but you can use any numbers. Okay, and this is 18 upon 21. Third rational number 6 by 7 is already there. Now we are going to use 4 because 3 is already used, 2 also used. Don't repeat the same numbers. Okay, multiply by difference, but multiply both numerator and denominator by same number other than 1. Now this is 24, 28. Now first, second, third. Now fourth rational number. Fourth rational number equals to 6 by 7 multiply same number 5. Okay, don't repeat the multiplying numbers, and don't multiply by 1. Multiply by any other number except 1. This is 30 upon 35. Now we got the 4 equivalent rational numbers. Okay, therefore 4 equivalent rational number are 12 upon 14, 18 upon 21, 24 upon 28, and 30 upon 35. Similarly, try to do other questions. Okay, and if you have any doubt, if you need some more clarity, please comment me below or WhatsApp me in my WhatsApp number, and whatever the question left from question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3, please solve all those questions and submit through this mean app. Okay, we'll meet in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.